In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can back up your ClickUp account. So without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside your main dashboard, go to the top right to unlock your profile. And then from the drop-down menu, click on Settings. This is where you can access import and exports in ClickUp. So go under Integrations and ClickApps, then click on Imports and Exports. Then click on Import Items. Now, it's important that we select the data that we want to have a backup. For this, let's select all our spaces. Now, once we click on Start Export, we will have a CSV report of all our workspace data, allowing us to have a backup data for our ClickUp. So click right here and then wait for ClickUp to prepare our data. And then once you see that your export is ready, click on download. And as easy as that, you now have a CSV file of all your backup data for all your workspaces. And that's it. So if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use the affiliate link given on the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.